Okay, you got to speak up. I heard yes. Okay. Do you understand the allegations against you by this? Okay, let me see. What's the underline, Ms. Miranda? What's
The underlying is 4 years.
You know, you're looking at up to 4 years TDC if you plead true or I find any allegation true.
Yes, sir.
Okay, state.
State is proceeding on condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Joseph Aguilar, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May 2021 in violation of condition 5.
How do you plead that true or not true? Mr. Aguilar.
Mr. Aguilar, you have to plead true, otherwise we're not going to get the agreement we agreed to.
Yeah, it's true. I didn't know I was supposed to pass myself in.
Okay, I just need a true or not true. You can explain further if you want after that.
Okay, true.
Okay, true. You state any others?
Yes, the state is also proceeding on condition number 24 on or about the 18th day of March 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Joseph Aguilar, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Treatment Facility, and that the defendant failed to self-surrender in violation of condition 24.
How do you plead that true or not true?
True.
And the state's waiving the remaining conditions, Your Honor.
Okay, and the recommendations for 2 years and TDC in prison.
That's correct.
Is that correct, defense counsel?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, and you were going to ask defense for some time, or what were you asking?
Judge, Mr. Aguilar has custody of his kids, and as you know, next month school is starting. He'd like to get them situated, first of all, where they're going to stay, who they're going to stay with, and get them registered for school, etc. So if whatever time the court would give him, I explained to him that if he didn't surrender on the date he's required to surrender, that his deal would probably go off the table. So I don't know when school starts, Judge, but sometime after that would be great.
Okay, yeah, he's going to probably push it back. But when does it start, Mr. Aguilar?
I'm not sure. Sometime next month. I think I got on the 17th.
Okay, okay, I think I read somewhere the 16th. I think that may be a Monday. What are the kids living with you or someone else?
Right now they're staying with my mom.
Your mom.
Cause well, I'm my mom too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get her, make sure everything's situated.
Let me see. Yeah, because I don't want to go. I never give back longer than a week or two. And generally, I don't give any days on a prison sentence. I don't want to give you some time to get that set up, but I can't go that far back. How much time does he have credit, Brandy?
He has 20 days.
20 days. Okay. Let's see what let me look at the calendar real quick. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give you this is probably about it is longer than I have given. Usually it's 1 or 2 weeks. I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 weeks. So August 12th, it's about a little bit before school starts, a few days before, but that gives you time to get situated. So I'm going to do sentencing at that time at August 12th. You need to go in person to the court. Mr. Martinez, you can still show up on Zoom if you want, but it's a Thursday, August 12th.
Yes,
be there at 9 a.m. It's a recommendation of 2 years, Mr. Aguilar. I would just tell you your best interest is to show up and not take a chance that you don't show up and I decide to sentence you to the 4 years. Okay, you could pull out pretty fast on that 2 years. You don't want to add 2 years to your sentence by not showing up. Okay.
No, sir.
You
I'll
understand
be
that?
there.
Yeah, I'm giving you more
Appreciate it.
time than I
Thank you.
generally give somebody, so don't take advantage of that, because generally the guys that haven't shown up, I've done that before, and they catch them on a warrant 2 weeks, a month, or two later, and then they're regretting it, saying, please give me the original recommendation, and they added a lot of years to their time. So August 12th, we'll do the sentencing at a time, and I'll determine if I'm still going to follow that. It's in person for